Pomegranates are one of nature's most delicious fruits packed with amazing health benefits. 7th Ave Wellness cares about helping its customers achieve and maintain their personal health and wellness goals. That's why we want to share information about the incredible health benefits of pomegranates that make them nutritious snacks and beneficial as part of a well-rounded diet. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, pomegranates are a true superfood. Studies show that these richly colored fruits can help improve your overall health and well-being. Let's take a look at some of the amazing health benefits of pomegranates. One of the most incredible health benefits of pomegranates is that they are incredibly rich in antioxidants. Studies have shown that pomegranates contain more antioxidants than any other fruit, helping to fight free radicals that can lead to cell damage and disease. Eating pomegranates also helps to power up your immune system, giving your body the tools it needs to protect itself from illness. Pomegranates are also full of fiber and vitamin C, which can help reduce inflammation. Inflammation can contribute to a variety of different health problems. Studies show that people who eat more foods high in antioxidants and vitamin C, like pomegranates, have a lower risk of developing various forms of cancer. Pomegranates also help to regulate your blood sugar. High levels of blood sugar can lead to diabetes and other metabolic problems. Studies have shown that pomegranates help reduce insulin resistance and can even help prevent diabetes. Furthermore, pomegranates can help regulate cholesterol levels in the body, helping improve overall heart health. Finally, pomegranates are a great source of vitamin K, which has been shown to lower the risk of bone loss, osteoporosis, and fractures. Vitamin K has also been linked to reducing the risks of Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is one of the most common forms of dementia. As you can see, the remarkable health benefits of pomegranates can help to contribute to great overall well-being. If you're looking to improve your health, then consider adding some delicious pomegranate fruit to your diet. At 7th Ave Wellness, we are dedicated to helping people reach and maintain their personal health and wellness goals. Our products contain all natural and organic ingredients that are backed by credible research. We believe that everyone has the right to excellent health, and we want to help you achieve it and maintain it. So why not take advantage of the many incredible health benefits of pomegranates and start nourishing your body today?